This here is a 2004 Buick Rainier. Let's go around. It's got a blinking light. See right there? It's blinking. It's got the special fogged light cover. And don't you dare laugh, you with the camera. All right, over here. These tires, 2015 special tires. Yeah. Running boards. That's shocks, see? Yeah, we're gonna fix that. See? Blinky light over here. See this right here? When you put it in reverse, it folds down. It's stupid. Look here. Here comes the steering wheel. Yeah. Buick. See right here? Really nice Buick. See how nice it is? Ah! Special, very special seats there. We got room for other people. See, we tossed the baby seat in there. Oh, thankfully the baby's not in there, but we got the seat in there. Special tape over the back of the window. We don't know what this is for. We don't know what happened. We have the special tape there. Oh, look, right here. V8, like the drink. Somebody put a bunch of Jackson stuff in here. Over here, look at this, right here. It has a compressor. Yeah, so you can fill up, but if you need air, you can get air from this, or if you want to air up a football or balloons to pop in somebody's face, you can do that. Yeah, special equipped. Over here, this 2015 tire, this one leaks air. Yeah, really cool. Like original mufflers, it's 2-part. This wheel, very dirty. Look at those rotors. Yeah, look at that. Real close. Yeah, closer. Dirty, nasty, very worn. You can kind of you can play the accordion. You can feel it on your fingernails. All right, so watch this. This thing is almost brand new with 224,000 miles. Almost brand new. I hear something, a little bit of something, but it's okay. All right, so see right here, 5,300. First off, this is going bye-bye. 5,300. That means it's the V8, awesome V8. And we have a new battery. Look at that, it's a new battery. One important thing in the new battery, terminals. Pull over to the terminals. If you want the battery to charge, you must connect these tightly. That's how it charges. Yeah. Look over here. See those exhaust manifolds? Yeah. No leaks in these exhaust manifolds. It's amazing. Simply amazing. Cobwebs. See, it's such a habitat for spiders. It's an amazing vehicle. Alright, so driving the Buick to go pick up a used Echo 8010 blower. Try that frame size and see how that works. It's gonna be about 200, I think it's 200 bucks. And I just figured I'd try that compared to spending $650 for a brand new one. We'll see if I make a wise decision. So far, Buick's doing okay. The radio just... So remember, the radio had issues, and it decided just to pop on. That's kind of cool. It actually sounds pretty decent. Let me pause that for a minute. Oh, steering wheel controls work. Okay, so that's weird. But 65, that's about as happy as it wants to be. I don't know if there's a front end issue or if the tire is out of balance. I'm not sure what's going on there. But that's as fast as we can go. The check engine light came on almost right away, so probably that knock sensor again. Not a great time to be on the interstate doing 65, but oh well. I'm over here to the far right, out of the way, so everybody can just deal with it. But cranked up fine, so no charging issues. I'm kind of conflicted because down in Melbourne there is an 08 Trailblazer for sale. It's got a crusty frame, $1,200 bucks, so I could probably get it for $1,000. But it's got Trailblazer SS replicas on it, and a almost mint-looking black interior. Plastic, seats, carpet, all look awesome compared to this, and we haven't even delved into this one yet. So kind of conflicted, not sure what to do in that. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted. I'd really like those 20-inch wheels compared to putting tires in these rather ugly 17s, but I don't really want all the extra work of having to part it out or have my brother part it out. So not quite sure what to do there. I was praying about, ooh, nice Aston Martin. Sneak it up. Yep. I was just praying about maybe the. It's like, Lord, I don't really want to do that. I don't know what your will is on that, but just help it sell, then I don't have to worry about it. So I don't know. But so far so good. The last time I brought a newer car or a new to me purchased vehicle here was my '96. That's funny, yeah. My '96 Firebird. The fuel oil brakes are doing good. The water pump went out. Last time I was here with the Silverado last year, the fuel pump relay went out. So we'll see. Going to Sam's again. Need a bathroom break because it's cold. And we'll see if anything goes wrong with the Buick. So we'll keep you posted. Anything happens, you will be the first to know. Just walked out, and I think I do see a leak of something here. It was like watery oil, maybe? I don't know if that's me or I think it might be somebody else. I don't think that's me. I don't know. Suspicious though. We'll take a look. Make sure it's nothing. There we go. You know, it would be good if I go ahead and grease this crazy hood. I don't know what's taking me so long to do this. Alright. I don't see anything. So, I think that's somebody else. It was too far away to be radiator hose, so I think we're good. I think we are. Alright, let's find out. Alright, I got the outside of the window clean. But there's still a bunch of crud on the inside, but I can sort of see a little bit better, sort of. Alright, I'm gonna go try to grab this blower, or we'll. But so far, no other calamities on the vehicle. The still working, and the gas gauge decided to come back online, and everything else looks pretty good. Plans for this vehicle is to turn it back into what it will be the replacement for a Firebird. It will be a replacement for the Suburban. We'll see what happens. First thing is we're going to get it washed, and eventually we'll go through, we'll try to fog out the lights, because each one of these lights, brand new. Oh, one more thing. This headlight, it's so special. It got pinched right there, and we're missing a bulb, a little panel right here. But that's okay. Well, yeah, we got some cracks right here to figure out. So anyways, we're going to get it all washed today. Watch you step in the oil. And we'll see what kind of amazing job the Super Clean will do for us, and go from there. Alright, one thing we forgot to mention on these cars, it's rocking back and forth, is the crustiness of these hinges. Look at that. It looks like it's been in salt water. So thankfully, because I believe that can be replaced right there. Maybe. I hope. We'll see. I've got some ideas. I don't know. It may not come off. I hope so. You have to pull this cover and pull the headliner down and get to it. But we'll see. Alright, so had Harry working on the finish so far. Simple wash and wax. Or simple wash. And we've been polishing out. And it's really turned out much better than we thought. We're going to hit it with some spray wax, but look at this. And even the hood got some splotches and some water stuff here, but overall turned out really pretty good. Once again, we're going to hit it with the spray wax, but not too bad. We're experimenting with hitting all this plastic with just some flat black paint for right now. Hit it with brake cleaner first so it'll actually stick, and then go that route. But I think and this will get we'll probably spray it flat for right now and go from there. Maybe try to well, that looks like it'll just come back right back out by itself. Ooh, okay, cool. Oh, it's broke, that's why. Okay. Well, we'll pull a tab out and figure out what to do on that, but should be able to just paint that separate and then stick it back in. So we'll figure that out. Accent color, probably a metallic color actually. Headlights, did the best we could in those. That turned out pretty decent. And this one just needs to be replaced long term, but the LED should still shine pretty good through there. Let's look underneath. It's a little bit oilier than I thought would be, but not really surprised. 200 and something thousand miles on these LS's. The oil pan leaks and leaks and leaks. Pretty wet in the back on the rear main. Not quite as much as the GMC is leaking, but still just normal leaks for the age. Thankfully, I don't think it'll be an issue for some early testing tunes. But the suspension, every bit of this suspension is whacked out. The only thing is the boots on the lower controller or the ball joints aren't messed up. That is the only thing. Everything else, bushings are rotted through and just, but normal for this vehicle. It is just normal. So, and there's a bunch of ooey goos and stuff out of the strut there. I have no idea what that is. That is weird looking. So a simple rebuild on this will be awesome. I think we'll have a solution for the struts. Some newer units that ride better for the short term. You got the sway bar links, that all needs to be done too. So once we do all that, it'll look awesome. I'm going to see if I can get the running boards off today. We're going to put the oil back in it. Hopefully get running boards off and measure the exhaust for cutting that out eventually here. So we'll see how it goes. That's your 1 o'clock update. Alright, so we're pulling off the running boards. You have 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, 6 bolts all together. And you've got fuel filter right there. It's kind of nice because it's in and out right there. So we're going to swap this out as well today. We're making a lot of progress, thankfully. And we'll see if this helps with any running. Eventually we'll have a pull the fuel tank and do that. Rear suspension's all slap worn out too, need control arms, all that, so not surprising. It's 224,000 miles. What do you expect? So, but over here, transmission looks pretty dry. Transmission pan's very dry. We're going to do that hopefully tomorrow, the fluid and so forth. Put some Amsoil in there. Exhaust looks good. Frame looks awesome. That muffler right there, that's going bye-bye. I don't know if that happens tomorrow, but that's going bye-bye soon. So that'll be nice. We'll leave the resonator in the back, but that's it. Alright, let's take these running boards off. Alright, really nice one here, having the little bleeder right here, so that you can bleed this before pulling off the filter. So that'll be good. Went to Amazon and got this, and there you go. There's your numbers. Gives you the, oh, that's nice. Gives you the AC Delco parallels. That is really nice. Cool. So we'll put this on there and eliminate any stuttering issues it might have. It looks like it's been a while since I had one, so here we go. Alright, working on taking off the other side of the running boards. This brace across here is interesting. That's kind of cool. I don't know if that's I don't know. Got a long muffler though. Looks like we're like 2, I haven't measured it yet, but it looks like we're like 2 3/4. So when I do my exhaust work, I'll probably need to put on some adapters here, weld those on, and then go to 3-inch. So we'll see. Make it the best flooring as we can. But anyways, it looks like my control arm is bent here, and while that one is straight, if you look at it, it sure looks like that's a bend. Like they ran over something, just dropped right on it. Interesting. So I think we'll make some ride quality difference once we swap those out. The other vehicle might have ones that fit. We'll see. Alright, mouthful of peanut butter and jelly. Like the multi-grain bread with the crunchy peanut butter and marmalade, just so you know. Using the professional Rust-Oleum. Hit it with some super clean, of course, first. getting the primer on. We're going to do this black with the Rust-Oleum semi-gloss. And then the emblem, we're going to prime gray as well, and hit it with a Krylon like charcoal metallic, kind of like on the GMC. So I think that should look pretty good. Making a lot of progress so far. Alright, so we got the running boards off. Looks so much better without the running boards. We got the spray wax on, and for a black vehicle, I think it looks pretty good from a distance. I'm really happy with it. So there we go. No running boards on that side. Yeah, now it's still, you know, it's too tall. But we'll take care of that eventually. And that, the lower trim on the bottom, we're going to paint that flat black. I would like to get those Envoy side steps potentially for it, but we'll see. We're going to do something different on the exhaust tip, maybe either an oval or something. We got the muffler figured out what we're going to do. I did measure that, and that's 2 3/4 pipe, standard for the Chevys. And we decided to look at the brakes. Yeah, I decided to look at the brakes. I probably shouldn't have been driving this as much as I have been driving it. And thankfully it worked out okay. So right here you can tell that looks pretty bad. I'm not sure you're going to be able to really appreciate how bad this brake pad material is. There you go. You can see the metal from the carrier, and you can see the brake pad. Yeah, the two are not even. There is virtually no brake pad existent on this side of the vehicle. Not cool. That rotor is shot. Good scrap out of this. I want to see if the wheel bearing feels pretty good. But yeah, that's not too bad. We'll pull all this apart eventually and check that. But yeah, that's an issue. But I have a plan.